The limbic system is important for emotion and certain forms of memory. This is a functional grouping of highly interconnected structures located beneath the cerebrum. Many structures in the human limbic system are also found in animals that evolved long ago, like crocodiles. While these reptiles rely on their limbic systems to hunt and to defend their turf, the limbic system in humans is involved in motivation and emotional behaviors. The exact structures that are included in the limbic system are a matter of debate, but generally, these include the thalamus, the hypothalamus, the hippocampus, the amygdala, the fornix, and the cingulate gyrus. Let's go over what each of these structures does. Emotion and learning are very tightly linked. That person who walked past you on your way to school, what do they look like? But that jerk who threw a banana at you? You'll remember him. Next time you walk down that path, you'll watch out for and recognize him. Consolidation of this kind of context-dependent emotional memory can occur thanks to communication between the hippocampus and amygdala. These are believed to be the most important structures for emotion. Stimulation of the amygdala results in increased anger, fear, anxiety, and violent behavior. The amygdala also plays a primary role in the formation and storage of emotional memories, and it is thought that it can modulate memory-related processes in the hippocampus. Meanwhile, the hippocampus is important for the conversion of short-term memories to long-term ones. It is active during both encoding and retrieval of memories. The fornix is a tract of white matter connecting the hippocampus to the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a group of nuclei that link the nervous and endocrine systems. The hypothalamus controls attachment behaviors, hunger, thirst, fatigue, and many other functions. It also happens to be a major contributor to uncontrolled laughter. The thalamus is the gateway of the brain. Sensory information passes through it and is relayed to the appropriate brain areas. Though some do not consider it to be part of the limbic system, your emotions are contingent on the stimuli you receive from your senses. The cingulate gyrus is a part of the cerebrum. It allows for communication from the thalamus to the hippocampus. This enables you to focus on events with emotional significance and associate memories to smells or pain. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe to support me in making more videos.